because he did give us, and this was something I was thinking about today. I was waiting until the lights talk about it. People, tell me one thing. Also, if you want to contribute to the show, you want to say something to it, click the link, the pinned link in the live chat. Yeah, Al Grimson does well when he's not expected to win the game, and when he's the underdog.
Say Jordan are good. Jordan have a lot of people playing in the Middle East. Additionally, Jordan is ranked in the 80s in FIFA. Kevin Williams.
Bro, but what
Jordan is
from where
not
you
good,
rank
bro.
Jordan today? No, and I was saying this. I was also saying this. Put some respect on the opponent. Give the opponent some respect. Jordan was not as bad as I expected them to be. Obviously, I don't expect them to be challenging us the way they did.
As
We
in,
made
it's
them look
like
good.
it's like Curacao and Suriname, teams that are ranked in the lower 100s, like in the 80s and the 90s and the 70s.
Bro,
They're not terrible teams, but they're teams that should be dispatched. It's not like them ranked in the hundreds. So we never expect for 6 Jordan. They're a team ranked in the 80s. So we're supposed to dispatch a Jordan, bro. Jordan is not good, bro.
No, that's how.
They're not good, bro. They're not a good team. They're ranked 84th in FIFA. They're not a good team. Jordan is not good, bro.
Okay, fine, but from what I saw from Jordan today, albeit they got space from the Jamaican team, we made them look a bit better than they are. Fine, but this team is not as bad as I expected. And it's not as bad as.
So you see the Jordan team better than the Suriname teams that we play
so
and the Curacao teams that we play.
I never said that. I said what I said. This team is not as bad as I expected them to be. That's all I'm saying. May I give Jordan some respect. Obviously, yeah, they beat us today. I didn't expect them to beat us. They shouldn't have beaten us. But they're not as bad as I thought. All of them think they can be true. You see me? Like, do you think Qatar or Jordan is better than US, Mexico, or Canada? No way. Not even close.
I reckon that's a rhetorical question.
No, yeah, but what is the point? What's the point? We can't blame it all on the players. We can't blame it all on the coach. The players need to be held accountable. Yeah, I feel like the players need to be better, and players need to put in better performance. Tracking a player, tracking incoming player into the box at back post. All right, they probably have something to do with coaching, yes. But bro, that have a lot to do with the player. Ball watching. You know where the player them there. I'm just sneaking a back post twice. One at the goal. And another one, he's heading the ball back across the goal for like that. Them think they're like some simple error where I make we look like schoolboys defending, bro. I mean, put some of that on the players. No, I think we get better players, and I think that would affect us. Really, the point I was making though, Al Grimson does well as the underdog, and maybe this is, what he had to deal with Iceland and whatever. But just look at it. The games he played against teams where he's not even. Where we know that we're going to lose the game before the game even started. Somehow we have performances where we don't mind, or we like. So if you think about the Argentina game, Jamaica lose again before we even reach a New Jersey. Good performance. We were in the game. Obviously never get as many chances as Argentina got. But for what we had, played a decent game. If you look at the Cameroon game, I didn't watch the game, but we drew with Cameroon. Right? I assume that's a good result. Mexico, in the Azteca. Mexico are the favorites. We went there, good performance, could have won the game. Now, if you look at the games where we are considerably better than the opponent, the Trinidad and Tobago, twice. The Qatar, well, they're probably not considerably in Qatar, but we should have, played better in that game. The Jordan, considerably better than Jordan. We look awful and we look like a totally different team. So maybe it's that Al Grimson plays, knows how to coach as the underdog more than the team, more than the favorite. That's something to think about. I hope I'm wrong, because we will be playing teams that were better than I expect us to dominate them. But so far, it's just the facts. The teams that we are supposed to lose to, it seems like we play better against them. You see me? So it's weird.